Quality built home in beautiful Laurel Glen subdivision in Hartwell. This beautiful and immaculate 4-bedroom, 3-bath custom-built home has 3,080 square feet, a spacious open floor plan and finished basement. Vaulted great room with rock fireplace, gas, and hardwood floors. Formal dining room with tray ceiling. Kitchen, breakfast area with stainless steel appliances, marble and granite countertops, plenty of counter space and storage. Laundry room / walk-in pantry. Spacious master suite has a sitting area, tray ceiling, and overlooks the private, fenced-in backyard. Marble master bath with oversized walk-in shower, his and her vanities, and a large walk-in closet. The sunroom overlooks a heated pool and includes a 2-level rock patio with a natural gas fire pit. The terrace level features a second living, family room with tray ceiling plus a 4th bedroom and another full bath, storage room and a dumbwaiter. 2-car, side entry garage with a storage room. Beautiful, professionally landscaped yard with sprinkler system. Curb and gutters, underground utilities, city water, gas and trash pickup.